For a long time now, I've wanted whiter teeth. I've always been a little insecure about my smile because I don't have most perfect teeth. I have a chip in my front tooth, they're a little crooked in places, and they're a tint of yellow. So for many years now, I've been trying to at least whiten them a little bit in various ways. I've tried whitening toothpaste, I've tried eating more calcium-rich foods, I've even tried brushing with a little baking soda, which tastes nasty, but actually works a little. Although don't overdo it because it can definitely destroy the enamel on your teeth if you do it too much. But even with all that, my teeth still have a yellow tint to them. So I was really happy when I was sent this teeth whitening kit recently. I was given this in exchange for a video review, but all of these thoughts are my own. Checking out the contents of the box, it includes a mouth tray, a charger cord, 3 whitening gel pens, a desensitizing gel if you need it, and a way to chart your progress. As recommended by the instruction manual, I decided to use it twice a day for a week and then look at the results. Right away, I found that it was kind of difficult to reach my back teeth with the gel pen, so I decided to mainly just focus on my front teeth, which are more visible anyway. The instructions say to avoid getting the gel on your gums and lips. That was really difficult to do, so I just did my best. Then, after applying the gel, you put the mouth tray in your mouth, hold the power button until it beeps to turn on, and wait for about 16 minutes. Basically, the blue light activates the peroxide in the whitening gel to make your teeth whiter. That's the goal anyway. There's also a red light for sterilizing your teeth, and a purple light that contains both the red and blue lights. But I just use the blue light because I'm focusing on getting my teeth whiter. After the 16-minute treatment, the device will beep twice, letting you know that it's done. Then you simply rinse out your mouth, rinse off the device, and check your progress. After my very first treatment, I was convinced that it was working. I thought for sure my teeth were already whiter, so I was really looking forward to the end result. But pretty quickly, I also found that the results from my first treatment were only temporary, as the next time I used it, the color of my teeth seemed to be back to what it was before. And it was no small commitment to keep up with the treatments twice a day. You can only do once a day, but I was trying to go for maximum result with minimal time. In addition to the process of applying the gel and waiting for 16 minutes each time, the instructions also state that you shouldn't eat for at least an hour afterwards. So even just planning your eating around using this twice a day can be a chore. Nevertheless, I kept up my rigorous schedule of 2 treatments per day for a week, and at the end of the week, I checked my progress one last time. Honestly, it's really hard to tell if they're much different. Anecdotally, they do seem whiter. When I look at my smile in the mirror, or even just when I'm out and about, they look whiter to me, but a before and after picture doesn't show much progress. So I don't know. Looking back, I think I may have used less of the whitening gel than I should have. Each treatment is supposed to use about 0.4 milliliters of gel, which means that each tube of gel should only last about 5 treatments. But altogether, I only used a little more than 1 tube of the gel over the course of about 14 treatments. So I probably used less than half of what I should have. So since I have about 2 full tubes left, I may at some point try it again to see if I can get better results. In the meantime, I did learn to smile more, and I think that itself was worth all the time that I put into testing this product. I don't regret it at all. It was easy to use, it was something that I'd been wanting to try anyway, and I'm glad I did. I may even do it again, but even if I never do, I hope to keep on smiling more, because I think that can make an even bigger difference. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment, and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.